Nakabenta ki khobor ke baman kasngi subscribe yo Antor News.
Kulit sibuk ni fik Paidbah berpai khobor Antor News sudah mentah ni pok panyut hotel banso bersengap ya ki khobor bat ki jing pentip jong kami kelia TMC hadin ba sekretari no ngilam ba kledo jong ka all India Trinamool Congress Parti balawan hani kasala wa bisik banerji han ka ji sedan jong Dr. Mukul semua ki lawan ban kendu ikalap thai khobor ban ai jingtip ya kamat jong ka TMC bahkan leit sani collection arjar fly hakaba halor kiti kimat bak le permana ya kita ki supposedly ki manifesto nota kimat elap kisan jong ka kasan keladan ru ki wei ki jing kran nak leng nang kilap thai khobor kila keli ya uti unong hilam buat ya Dr. Mukul halor katun ni kimat kumnu baka seng TMC kan ya sakmat ya kini kimat jing doa halor sipau tu kimat ka eba ka di banle anda kawan hakabor bat lakli bat balai ba hakati kamat bekibu sipau tu li sem la batai punya ya kimat jing doa bade bat ka LP bat kiwai bat ki kimat ba kajala kajuyokun laju yale hakata senam lomba kisang balang ban percaya sarkar banyo kum haktin khasi ka LP bat kiwai bat lai hakajengkan jong abisik banerji uang ba barok gila la kentup lang ha kitu sepuluh kimat ba omla membatai dai kusong bagi ba akin puli pantang sisu abisik banerji yaitu ba keladai kapor yu kipai ba kejala bakin ajing kersan yang ni kasang TMC nama ditang kasang TMC kabla ban ajing senia upai ba barang sibun ki skim penroi kum katu ko ni kimat bakawan rak kalong kata ka mai ikat bat ban ajirap kaliu hakai si hajar si banai bat ulayu turu abisi banerji wang lada ka TMC kawan hakabor hadin bak sarkar keladap si spa asngi kan sapatrikam ya tu kikat bakat Haduh mentah hak kejala meklia kibal ladap pendrung kerteng hak kenik hak enrollment hak kenik M ikat kilalong masilak mud ta kumju nak hilang Dr. Mukul apa persengo ya kene kiju kimat kijing dawa bat kijing lap election lai tu baka TMC nak wan kabar kan le bentrai lang bat Paidbah lai le ban ajing sekli kabuhui basba ban laj nak kijing bamsap kijing bampong bat ai bo Paidbah uso tu kai kijimut jongga seng TMC baka seng TMC kan seperti ya kikam bat jingkular jongka ha kene ka manifesto.
In border villages and border MOUs signed with the government of Assam will be revoked. So these are the 10 pledges that we make before you, and we want to assure you that all these 10 pledges will be honored as and when TMC forms the government on the 2nd of March, when the results come out and the state is ready to welcome a change with open arms. I've answered this question before, that it's an extremely sensitive issue, and we will take all the stakeholders, their feedback, their suggestion into consideration. We will have a deliberate consultation with each and every resident of the state, everyone, and then come to a conclusion and do what is in best interest of the people of the state.
You have probably all the records under your command. This issue has been taken up in the assembly, both inside the house as well as outside the house, by the opposition, by us. Now, what has happened is that post 2018, the government has lost its priority. The whole initiatives, the whole implementation that was initiated, say for example for the case in respect to the medical college Shillong, isn't it a fact that we have started the construction and building of the chest hospital in Maudyamgyam? This is one of the initiatives, because the Raid Chest Hospital was supposed to be the venue where our Shillong Medical College was supposed to be established. Now what has happened has to be asked. This question has to be directed to the present incumbent government. Then in respect of Tura Medical College, you will well appreciate that the government of India embarked upon, on the basis of our request from the states, that the states will be supported with financial assistance for establishment of medical college in those districts where there is no medical college. So therefore, Tura was one of the beneficial districts. But what happened? 172 crores of money has been released, but they have not utilized that money. I think the figure was reflected in their reply in the last assembly session. They ended up spending only 62 crores. So what happened to the rest of the money? So this question also should be directed towards the incumbent present government. That's why what we are saying is that we will remain committed to fulfilling those aspirations and dreams of our people. See, medical college is not only for imparting medical education. It acts as a referral center, the final referral center in our whole referral system of health delivery system. Therefore, today the people have been compelled to send their loved ones requiring further referral treatment elsewhere, outside the state. So these are issues which are confronting our people, and this shouldn't have been there anymore. People would have been benefited not only for sending their children to study or rather undertake their medical courses, but also innumerable number of families would have been benefited by the healthcare facility that is provided by medical colleges.